Hello, in this video we want to explain to you about the star delta timer wiring. So watch this video until the end. At the beginning of the work we connected the phase and 0 to 1 terminal and we bridged and connected a phase and 0 from a terminal to the timer. We connected a wire from the terminal phase to the timer COM base, and we connected a wire from the star part to A1 of the star conductor, and from the delta part we connect a wire from A1 to the delta conductor here, and A2 we connected the conductors and connected them to the 0 terminal. Now if we activate the input power, the star conductor will be activated first, and after a period time the delta conductor will be activated. And now if we set the during to 10 seconds, if we disconnect and connect the input, first the star conductor is activated, and after 10 seconds the star conductor is deactivated and the delta conductor is activated. Now if we set this low value to 30 milliseconds, now we disable and enable the input. First the inactive star conductor and activate after 30 milliseconds of the delta conductor. Now we reduce the time to about 3 seconds. We put a 30 milliseconds delay between the conductors. This star delta duration is calculated in 4 ways, which we will explain in the next videos. This value is different for each motors. If you have any question, you can ask in the comments section. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.